Hello guys, welcome to Rafael Math Room. C times C times C minus C times C equal 100. C cube minus C times C equal C square equal 100. Then we can write C cube minus C square and move this 100 in left side. It will be minus 100 equal 0. After this we can write c cube minus c square, and we can write 10 square, because 10 square equal 100 equal 0. Then we can write c cube minus c square minus 125 minus 25 bracket equal 0, because if we minus 125 to 25, then we get 100. Then we can write like c cube minus c square, then this minus will be minus 125, and this minus and minus will be plus 25 is equal 0. After that we can write c cube minus c square, and this 125 is equal 5 to the power cube, and plus 25 equal 5 square equal 0. After that we can write c cube minus 5 to the power cube minus c square plus 5 square equal 0. After this equation we have to use like two exponential formula. It's like a cube minus b cube equal a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And second formula will be like, a square minus b square, it will be a plus b into a minus b. So generally we want to this for use this formula, and for this we will use this formula. Guys, if you are still in here, please subscribe my channel and support me. Please like this solution and comment below the answer. It will be very appreciate you. Please subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you. So after that we can write like c cube c minus 5 equal c square plus 5c plus 5 square bracket minus c plus 5 and c minus 5 equal 0. After here we can common c minus 5, then we can write like c square plus 5c plus 5 square minus c bracket c plus 5 equal 0. After the equation we can write like c minus 5 bracket second bracket c square plus 5c plus this 5 square equal 25, and this minus c equal minus c, and this minus 5 bracket equal 0. After that we can get c minus 5 bracket c square, this 5c, and this c minus we can get 4c, and this minus 5 from 25 we can get 20 is equal 0. So we have to now write like either or type, either c minus 5 equal 0, and then we can get like c1 value is 5, so this is one of the value. After that we can use or like c square plus 4c plus 20 equal 0. Here we can use a equal 1, b equal this 4, and c equal 20. Here we will use this exponential equation formula like minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So generally we have to replace this value in here, then we can get c equal minus 4 plus minus root over 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 20 divided by 2 times 1. After that we'll get uh, minus 4 plus minus root over 164 by 2. After that we'll get like the value of c will be minus 4 plus minus root over 64 times root over minus 1 divided by 2. So from here we can write minus 4 plus minus 8 I divided by 2. After that we can write minus 4 divided by 2 plus minus 8 I divided by 2. This will be cancelled out. Then we can write c equal minus 2 plus minus 4I. So from here we can write the value of c2 will be minus 2 minus 4I, and c3 will be minus 2 plus 4I. So this is the correct answer, and these two will be complex value, so we cannot use them. So hope you are guys enjoying this solve. If you here, please guys subscribe my channel and support me.